Hi guys, welcome back to Julian's Garden. I'm in my front yard at the moment. I hope you have a beautiful day. It's not raining today, but it's not sunny either. It's quite cloudy, but quite humid as well. So it's not too bad for the weather because I got the project I want to do and I want to show you. So this is the Tarocco Blood orange. I got this tree for 3 years old now, or for 3 years, and the tree getting quite large as well. I will show you. I walk around and I show you the tree. And I got another tree, the same variety, like this one, but the tree a little bit smaller than this one. So this one much bigger. So that's why I want to repot it tree. And plus it got some fruits as well. So I want to give the tree some extra room to grow, and maybe at the end we can have very nice fruit or very good size of the fruit as well. Okay, so one more thing. If you want to repot your trees, a lot of trees or a lot of plants, make sure you don't repot it in very hot summer day, and make sure you don't repot it like to the end of the autumn or especially in the winter, because that can be too cold, and especially for the citrus, they can be very stressed out. Alright, so let me walk around and show you the tree. So here the tree, 3 years after I got this one, was tiny little plant from the nursery online nursery, and this is the first year it's produced the fruit, and I'm so excited about this. I think in the season when the weather is not too cold, I just leave the container just right on this area together with my other container over here. Okay, like I'm out of room, so I put the pot plant on the footpath, or not the footpath, on the stepping stone that leads into the house. Alright, so this container quite large, so I just hope that this can stay here, 4 or 5 years. This is 100 liter of the container, and the potting mix, I just use premium potting mix. Let me show you. This brand, I like this brand. And over here, the tree, I don't know how tall is it tree have grown. Maybe 1.5 meters. What do you think? It's quite large, and I'm excited about all the food. And so I think in the winter I will bring this tree like to the house. That's where it still have a very cold weather, but it's just kind of out of the fort a little bit. But you know, the cold weather will have the food to get more red, inside. Alright, hopefully I can pull this tree out of the container though. You will see the terracotta container. Look at that, it looks horrible. And this is, I think, 50 centimeter wide of the container. But before I have to put like the pond liner between the soil or between the potting mix and the terracotta pots, because the container is very porous, so that's why the tree dry out so quick. So this tree, I put the lining or the pond liner between the soil and the container. Alright, hopefully I can pull the tree out. Oh, by the way, I do have some food around here as well. I think it's just under 10 foot, so it's quite good for the first year it produces food. Oh my goodness, did you just see that? I just pulled the tree out and the tree just went out straight away. Okay, so I think I did note, one lesson for me to learn, that if I just put the pond lining between the soil and the container or terracotta container, the tree can come out very easy. Alright, look at that. The wood is very healthy, and I did put some piece of styrofoam at the bottom of the container. So I think I just get this thing off. I think very good time to repot it, because it doesn't have much of soil for it to eat anymore. So the container, the plant is not pot bound at all. Just still very loose together, like with the wood like this. So I think I just pop it straight into the container. That I already pour quite a lot of soil in there. all done. So previous days, I thought that it would take me for a while to get the root ball now, or maybe it took me a while to filling the container with the potting mix because the container is quite large. So yeah, I hope that this tree can produce, can keep bearing the fruit and keep nurturing the fruit and give you beautiful fruit in the future. I might show you in the future when the fruit's ripening, and so maybe we can have a talk about that. So you know me, normally I repot the plants, and I don't fertilize the plants after 1 or 2 weeks. Just let the plants settling in, because when we pull the tree out of the container and their root bones kind of exposed, so we don't want to give them fertilizer straight away and their roots might get burnt. Just a precaution as well. So I think that is for the video today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see my beautiful, very healthy blood orange, and I will see you next video. Bye bye.